Damian, thanks for joining us here live at MIPIM. It would be good to get your take, I suppose, as the city perspective on what some of the aims are there for the city, particularly looking at investment.
So I suppose our overall vision for the city and for the region has been looking to build on our key assets and our key capabilities. So for example, in the last number of years, we've had real success in attracting inward investment, but also attracting investment locally in some of our key tech sectors, including focusing and building on cyber security, but also in new industries like creative industries and as well as life and health sciences. So I suppose our vision for the region is built simply on it being a really good place to live, work and invest. We've had a really strong focus on the aspect of that investment and economic regeneration and having good jobs for people that are living in the city and also even attracting people back. We've also had a major focus around our investment in tourism with rapid growth over a long period of time now in relation to tourism and a really significant recovery. But we've also got to really focus on that livability element as well, and that's an increasing priority for the city and the city region in ensuring that we have the supply of affordable houses for people to live in. We've had significant successes in that, major investments in our student housing accommodation and starting to see new opportunities both in terms of affordable housing and also build-to-rent properties coming home. So lots of success in terms of the overall economic regeneration of the city and the transformation of the region, but also a lot more work to do.
And Belfast, in a way, in a unique position of sort of as a major city, being partly within the European Union and partly obviously within the UK. Do you see that as an advantage? Is that something that has been helping, I suppose, drive some of this investment in terms of the city?
Yeah, well, we think particularly now going forward, that's a real asset. And even in the time here at MIPIM, we've had conversations with people who have genuinely come up and asked us, so tell us what that means and what the opportunity would be. So we all know that the UK and Ireland has a particular proposition as an English-speaking nation that's very favourable in interest and also the access to Europe and the time zones. And we've now got that opportunity where you both can come and invest in Northern Ireland, be part of the UK market unfettered, but you also can be part of the European market unfettered. So we see that as a real asset and an additional asset that we now have, and we hope to see that we will have a number of new investments in the coming months. You know, our colleagues from Invest NI here, and they will absolutely be out there marketing and promoting the opportunity that Northern Ireland has, but also I suppose the big element of this is building on the success. We have, you know, over the last 10, 15 years been very successful, particularly in digital, cyber security, fintech as well, in attracting that investment. And we think, as well as our offer of, in terms of highly skilled young people, relatively young population, we've now got an additional offer to put out there to encourage people to come and invest in the region.
Really interesting to hear some of the plans there in terms of Belfast, both the city and the region. So look forward to catching up at the next edition. Thanks very much.
Thank you.